Hello. Today we are going to make tortilla bread, together with some healthy additions that can be used for sandwiches, soups, and many dishes. We carefully put a precise measure of flour. Then we carefully add half a teaspoon of baking powder to the mix. And a teaspoon of salt. And a teaspoon of sugar. We thoroughly mix it well with water. Then we proceed to add 3 tablespoons of the mixture. Oil, preferred type of oil. We gather the dough. We will have a dough that is somewhat firm in texture. It should not be too soft, and we prefer it this way so we can add. The new additions are here, which we will now include promptly. This is a nutritious paste made from steamed and thoroughly mashed beetroot. This is a smooth and creamy spinach paste, also delicious. Cooked on the stove. According to your preference for the vegetables you want, Then we carefully knead it in this specific way to allow the beet to fully blend seamlessly into the dough. If some flour is needed, we add a little, not too much, so that we have a dough that is somewhat smooth, not sticky to the hand, and not sticking to the surface. We carefully knead the dough thoroughly so that the vibrant green spinach and earthy red beet blend seamlessly into the mixture. Then we let the dough rest, this plain type. We add a little flour to it until it doesn't stick to the hand. This particular type of bread has many versatile uses. It can be used as a type of sandwich or bread. Then we proceed. Let the dough rest for 10 minutes by covering it. This is the initial period. To acquire the taste of beetroot and spinach. Here we divide it according to the bread you wish to serve to the family. We also leave it for a duration of 15 minutes to rest. Here is the process of shaping. The individual prefers to separate each type. But for the photography, I use different types. You can observe how it is carefully baked on a hot tray for a total of 5 minutes to achieve the perfect texture and flavor. Cover it. So, the bread cooks evenly with the steam that is collected from the moisture released during the baking process. It should only be cooked without browning, because we will definitely use it later on in delicious sandwiches that we plan to make. This is the second type. It should also be just perfectly cooked, not browned at all. It can be conveniently stored in the freezer for an extended period of time, to be deliciously served with quesadillas. Color may vary based on the quantity used. The addition of beetroot and spinach. I prepared a sandwich and it was light in color. You will find the method on my second channel, Ibhar.